Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to get started, but first I would like to thank all my subscribers from this past year. It has been wonderful, and all the comments and videos and making them for you, it's been really fun for me, so I hope you enjoyed it so far, and I'm really looking forward to this next year and what I'm going to be doing. I mean, it's going to be a lot of different stuff just because I like just to do everything in life. I mean, why stick with one thing when you can do it all? So that's important why we're doing a goal setting video. Next, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button below. You will not regret it. We're going to have tons of fun here on this channel. Let's get started. So goals are super important, especially for yourself individually and for others. So I thought I would do this video to ensure that you accomplish your goals that you've set, not just a wish, because wishing and goals are two different things, and that involves work. But first, I'm going to tell you 5 goals I think every single person should have. Okay? Are you ready? Number 1, we all have an individual goal that something you want to accomplish. And some of those categories under that maybe are a huge common one: losing weight, getting fit, healthier. It could even be applying for a job, or you want to accomplish something individually like redecorating your house in a theme or style that you've always wanted to. Why not? I mean, that's an individual goal that I have and that I'm going to be doing, so I'm super excited about that. Other things that it can include, maybe starting your own business, or maybe applying for college or a job that you really want. So those are just different things that you can do, but have an individual goal, something that you want to do and want to succeed at. Okay, number 2, I think we should all have a spiritual goal, something that we can better ourselves with throughout this next year and throughout hopefully our whole lives, that we can become spiritually better, whether that's inner peace, spiritually in our religion. I am a very religious person, and that is very important to me, and so I strive to do things through that. Whether that be forgiveness or love or service or charity or just being a better person. I think we should all have a spiritual goal. Number 3, vacation or an experience. I think this is very important. Gordon B. Hinckley said, life is to be enjoyed, not just endured. And let me tell you, I feel like we do a lot of enduring, and I think it's okay to take a break. So I think we should all plan a vacation or something that we want to do. And it doesn't have to be elaborate. It doesn't have to be a trip to Hawaii. It can be a trip to the spa. Why not? Why can't that be a vacation? Why can't that be a mind relaxing? So plan something for yourself or your family. It could be something big, it could be something small, it doesn't matter. But I think we should all take time to plan something to get away, because if we work hard, I think we can also play hard. Now, if we're playing too hard, maybe we can work a little harder so that we can play harder. So, yeah, so definitely goal number 3, we need to plan a vacation or an experience. Number 4, educational. I think we should all have an educational goal. I think we should all better our minds, learn something new. Maybe you were curious about something. Go read up on it. Go study it. Because knowledge is power. That's something someone cannot take away from you, is your knowledge and what you do with that knowledge. So I think that's goal number 4. Number 5, financial. The world revolves around money, and it doesn't go on trees, sadly. So I think that we should all have a financial goal. Getting out of debt, saving for a car, maybe putting extra away for your vacation, goal number 3. Start donating to charities if we're just a little more secure than others. And so I think we should all have a financial goal, because you never know, a penny is a penny, and the pennies add up. So, yep, goal number 5. Financial. Now that I've told you my 5 goals that I think every single person should have, let's get on to the steps to accomplish those goals. Goal number 1, you need to write down your goal. All you need is paper and a pink fuzzy pencil, because that's all I had in my house. Now, when you write down this goal, you need to be specific. Write it down, and don't just be like, I want to lose weight. Okay, I want to lose 15 pounds. Be specific, because the more specific it is, the more you're likely to accomplish it. Also, writing it down goes from a thought to a process. Number 2, you need to write 5 to 10 things that you need to do to accomplish that goal. Let's say you're planning a trip to Disneyland. Okay, how much does Disneyland cost? How are you going to get there? Plane or car? Who's going? Food, things like that. What's the best time of year to go? Can I get time off? How long are we going to be there? Etc., etc., etc. Are we going to get gifts? Are we going to eat in the park, out of the park? I'm just like, be specific. You need to write down things you need to look up, mapping, time of year, flights, gas, and all that, how it's going to add up, because the more things you have or steps to accomplish that goal, the more likely it's going to happen. Now, number 3 goes along with number 2. Look at your calendar and find a date that your goal can be accomplished in a reasonable time. So find a date and do that, because if you've already looked at all the prices, everything, how much you need to save, blah, 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 you're like, okay, if I can save this much from by this date over here, I can go. Or same with losing weight. Okay, if I do this many calories, how much weight could I lose by a certain amount of time? Make it reasonable. Don't like, oh, by this time. No, you need to plan it out. That's why you do the 5 to 10 things or more, 1 to 20 things to accomplish that goal. Number 4, get to work. Writing it down is not gonna fill your bank account, help you lose weight. You need to get to work. You need to de-junk your house. You put money in savings. Just anything to help you accomplish your goal. Those are the 2 main things I have on my mind right now, can't you tell? So writing it down, 5 to 10 things that you need to do to accomplish that goal, pick a date, and then get to work. So guys, we can do this. This is the year that we get things done, and I'm super excited. I hope my goals have helped you for this next year and throughout your entire life. I think it's important to continually progress. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!